today's a very exciting day.
It's always exciting when I get to eat.
Yes. We had a company contact us.
Yes.
The company's called Nutstop. This is one of their bags. It's a company online, and they sell all kinds of food.
Yeah.
Granolas, nuts, fruits, seasonings.
Snacks, yeah.
I mean, it's an amazing variety that they carry. They're in the Chicago area, and they do mail order. So they contacted us and said, we would very much like you to, review some of our products. You pick out the products you want. We won't send you, we won't send you what we think you should try. So we picked out some, and they were extremely generous.
Yeah, they were very generous.
Oh my word. When he said, I said, we'd like to try these, and, gave him that's fine. Well, they sent us entire packs of a pound each.
A whole pound of each of these items.
They have sample packs.
Yes.
And I thought that's what we were going to get. Well, no, they gave us an entire package. So we're very, very pleased that they did that, and we are very excited to
We are.
give them. And this is
We've already sampled some, but we'll get to those later.
Well, they act like they're new to us. Oh my gosh, these are great. The bag's almost empty, Jill. Oh yeah, well, whatever. So,
chocolate-covered nuts are hard to resist.
so I think that's kind of spicy. I think we'll start off with that. This is their pecan pieces, and it's chopped up pecans. They're raw, and I'm looking to make sure that I've got that right. Yeah, they're raw. They're a product of the United States, so they're grown locally, not anywhere else outside the country.
Want to tell them what the price is?
Sure. These are $9.99
$9.99 a pound, which is not bad at all for a pecan.
They are. So we're going to pour out a few of these, and then I'm not going to do this now, but I'm going to tell you what I'm doing. I'm going to take some video, and I'll slip it in here, and you can see what they look like, up close, because it's hard to do this way. So expect that to come following this. Yeah.
Yes, very flavorful, aromatic. Good pecan aroma.
Okay, so I'm going to take, and as I said, I will give you a picture of it because it's too hard to do it this way. They're very nice.
I do love pecans.
I do too, and they're a nice size, as you'll see in that close-up that I do. Threw them on the floor. Very fresh.
Very fresh.
Very fresh.
Very tasty. Those are good pecans.
Have a nice pecan flavor, don't they? Pecan. I keep dropping it. Those are very good.
Those would be fantastic in like pancakes or
cookies, breads.
On top of ice cream.
And the reason I had selected these is because they were pieces. And if a holiday time is coming up, these are excellent for holidays. Wow. All you have to do is buy them and throw them.
They're delicious eating them, but then you get that taste in your mouth and your throat. It's wonderful.
I want to just say here, preface all of this. If we don't like a product, we're going to tell you.
Yeah, absolutely.
Moving on, this is now their Sesame Sensation Trail Mix. We have to admit.
Oh, is this the one
we did dive into?
Oh, yeah, we've already been into this one. It's good.
It's very good. This is their Sesame Sensation Trail Mix. And I'll tell you real quickly what's in it. We've got, I can't even read. Gosh, my eyes are so bad. Sesame sticks. Just go through the sesame sticks and the nuts, whatever.
Sesame sticks. Also has peanuts, almonds, cashews, sunflower oil, and salt. And this whole pound is $4.49.
Yes. And
although it's not quite a whole pound anymore.
No, it's not. It is on our bathroom scale, however.
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah.
Did you get it?
I got it.
Finally, you got it. You got it. Okay. There you go. Go ahead. It is good. It is good. It's got.
Well, I'm going to try.
Yeah.
I'll try the pieces individually here.
Almonds, cashews, peanuts.
I'm going to try
The nuts are so fresh. The nuts are so fresh.
Almonds are wonderful.
And the other thing I like about this mix is, yes, it's salted, but it's not like, some of these mixes are like, you're choking on salt.
all of these taste exactly like what they're supposed to. Doesn't taste artificial at all.
A very good mix.
Now here's the big one for me, the sesame sticks.
Good. Good mix.
Very crisp. Delicious.
This again is their
Absolutely
Sesame
delicious.
Sensation Trail Mix. And I will leave you a link in the description box to nutstop.com. Lots of granolas. This is their granola breakfast blend. And it has almonds, dried cherries, vanilla, brown sugar. I'm trying to say there's, I guess that's about it. It's pretty.
Should I get a little milk?
Do you want milk? Do you want to try it with milk?
Don't you normally try granola? I suggest we try it plain, but also with milk.
Sure, that's fine.
All right? I'm going to put this on hold for a minute while I go get some milk.
Okay, so you know the one thing I've noticed about this, and as I was pouring it into the bowl, which you will see again, as I said, I'm gonna. A lot of fruit, a lot of nuts, sliced almonds, not a great deal of granola, the oats. You know what I'm saying? I'm not saying it's a bad thing. I'm just saying
That could be just the way you poured it too. We don't know yet. But the other thing is, I'm seeing not a lot of dust like you normally see in a granola or in any kind of cereal, actually. I want to get a little of everything.
Oh, really strong almond flavor. What do you think? Of course, I will be honest. I don't care so much for granola anymore because it is so sweet.
It is sweet.
This is sweet.
But I think that's a lot due to the fruit.
Yeah, the fruit. There's a lot of fruit in there.
Very good.
It's tasty. I might have one more little bite. Coconut. I taste coconut in there.
I would suggest we try a little just plain without any milk on it.
I can't get these bags open. I'm getting so darn weak. Here. Don't wave your hand. Don't wave your hand. There's a lot of fruit. A lot of fruit.
There is a lot of fruit.
Which you can look at it too. Oh, here's a bunch of oats. Wait a second. It's all missorted there. Here, you try that now. That's, yeah, there's a bunch of oats in there. They just are separated from the fruit. That's the problem. So I'm kind of, I need to move on. I mean, you know, as far as I don't want to eat more of it. What do you think of that?
Wow. Very good.
Now, finally, we have.
I'll stop eating here for a second.
We have their wasabi, their natural wasabi peas.
Oh, you didn't
I
give
did not. No, you're right.
She didn't give you a price on the granola.
The granola blend is $5.59.
$5.59, which is for a pound, which is really reasonable for granola.
Okay. So anyway, I digress.
We can't go to the store and buy granola for $5.59 a pound.
This is their natural wasabi. Now they had two different wasabi peas. They had the natural, which I purchased. Then they had the other one, which is a bit more, you know, Hollywood. It's very green. It's been processed a little more with coloring. And I didn't want to go that route. And actually, I think they were the same darn price, if you can imagine.
We love wasabi.
We do. And this is a 14-ounce package for $3.39.
Which is still very good.
So give me your hand because we just did our bowl with oh, I can't wait because I love these darn things. I just love wasabi peas. Oh my gosh, smell them first. Hot damn. Oh man, if you like wasabi peas, oh my god.
Whoa. Those are so fresh,
I'm telling you what,
so crisp,
that heat.
and so wasabi.
Oh my word.
Wow.
Whoa. Those
I
are
could put some of
excellent.
that in my granola.
And they're so crispy.
That's good. It's real spicy,
Very.
but it doesn't burn your tongue.
And again, it's not that heavy salt that you would see, you know, in a snack. No, honey, go ahead. So I'll tell you.
I'll just sit here and eat all afternoon.
You would, if I didn't stop you. Okay, I'm going to kind of give you a rundown of what I liked best or what I liked least. Now, I would say just because it's not a taste preference that I like, the granola, which is fresh, the ingredients taste good. I mean, there's good fruit, the nice almond flavor in there, but it's too sweet for me. But I would say that probably about any granola out there. Pecans, huge success.
Yes.
I will use these and thank you for the company, and I'll get more probably because I know I'll blow right through a pound of these. And then, and this is not in any order, which one I like best. The trail mix. This is the sesame trail mix.
Trail mix works for me.
It's very good. It's not too over salty. It's crisp. It's fresh.
No, and it's a good balance of the various nuts and the sesame sticks.
Yeah, they didn't overload it with peanuts, which they could have.
Everything is so fresh.
It is fresh, really fresh. And then the last but not the least is these wasabi peanuts. I'm telling you what, if you like
peas.
What did I say? Peanuts. If you like wasabi peas, these are gonna knock your socks off.
Yeah, these are about the best I've ever eaten.
Gosh, they are so good.
Yeah. Again, that's the nutstop.
Nutstop.com.
Nutstop.com. And you will put a link
yes.
for these products on on the video?
Well, I'll put a link to the store.
Okay.
Oh, I could put the link to the individual ones in there too. And so we have a 12-bean soup mix, which of course I'll be making 12-bean soup, which I could do on camera. And then we have peanut clusters.
Not very many.
Not many. And we have another actual trail mix.
Yep.
And then I think I might have ordered another granola.
There is another granola, and then there's
almonds.
Almonds.
The almonds.
Yeah.
Yeah. So we've got a number left to do.
Yeah. And we have, I think, 2 more videos of 4 products each.
Yeah. And if they are as good as these are, wow.
Can't say enough good things about it.
No. All right. So anyway, that's our review for today. We will follow up with other reviews. And as I said, I'm going to be sloppily putting those little pictures of the foods that we've tried in between the videos that, reviews we've done. So be patient with that. My editing skills.
Yeah.
All right.
A lot of people thought the Nutstop was visiting
this
us, but try the other Nutstop too.
All right, everybody. Thanks a lot for watching. Tell your friends, subscribe, leave comments,
and eat good food.
You got to eat some good food.
Yeah.
That's good food out there. All right, everybody. Take care.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.